Alright, we got another elevator here at the SkyWay at the airport. I'm not finding many more other elevators. But the thing is, I'm here for a layover, and I can't exactly leave the secure zone because then I will risk running out of time before my flight. Go down again. We'll end it up on this floor. All right. Up to 2. This is B1 APM. Looks like another Montgomery or a MontgomeryKone. What's up? I need to get on the train now. Anyway, that will be it.